If you've built a form in Tally, the next step is sharing it with others so they can start submitting responses. In this guide, I'll show you how to share a Tally form step by step. First, log into your Tally account and open the form you want to share from your dashboard. Next, click the Publish button. This makes your form live and ready to be accessed by others. After publishing, you'll see a shareable link. Copy this link and send it to anyone you want to collect responses from. You can now paste this link into emails, messages, or social media to reach your audience quickly. If you have a website, you can also embed the form using the embed code provided by Tally. You can control who can access your form, whether it's public or limited to specific users. Tally also lets you generate a QR code, which users can scan to open your form instantly on mobile. Once your form is shared, you can monitor responses in real time from your dashboard, and that's how to share a Tally form. So once your form is live, you can start collecting responses from anywhere, anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.